Welcome to the introduction of real estate regulations. This session will cover the regulation of the real estate agency industry, the roles and requisite skills for salespersons, and the importance of understanding regulations and compliance. Let's delve into the essential knowledge for real estate professionals. The Estate Agents Act 2010 established a legal framework to regulate the real estate industry, enhancing professionalism and consumer protection. The Council for Estate Agencies, CEA, was formed to oversee compliance, licensing, and discipline. Key objectives include raising industry standards, enforcing discipline, and promoting public awareness. Understanding these regulations is crucial for agents to ensure ethical practices and protect consumer interests. Licensing and registration are crucial for estate agents and salespersons. New agents must meet specific criteria, including professional indemnity insurance. This insurance is vital for protecting against claims from professional errors. Understanding these requirements ensures compliance and professionalism in the industry, safeguarding both agents and clients. Offenses under the Export Administration Act include operating without a license, false documentation, and dual representation. Penalties range from fines up to $75,000 to imprisonment. Compliance is crucial to avoid legal issues. Understanding these regulations helps maintain professionalism and protect consumer interests, ensuring ethical conduct in real estate transactions. The Code of Practice for Estate Agents is crucial for maintaining industry standards. It outlines duties in management, supervision, and document retention. Effective handling of claims and complaints is essential. Estate agents must ensure compliance with these regulations to uphold professionalism and protect consumer interests. Continuing professional development, CPD, is crucial for maintaining professionalism in real estate. It ensures agents and salespersons stay updated with industry standards. CPD requirements vary by role, offering tailored learning paths to enhance skills and knowledge. This commitment to ongoing education supports compliance and elevates service quality, fostering trust and confidence in the real estate sector. Understanding the Dispute Resolution Scheme, DRS, is crucial for resolving conflicts in real estate. Mediation and arbitration play key roles, ensuring disputes are settled efficiently. Using prescribed estate agency agreements is vital for compliance and clarity in transactions, safeguarding both agents and clients. Salespersons play a crucial role in real estate transactions, requiring skills in marketing, negotiation, and contract facilitation. They must stay informed about market trends and regulatory changes to effectively serve clients. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential for maintaining professionalism and compliance in this dynamic industry. In conclusion, understanding and adhering to real estate regulations is crucial for maintaining professionalism and compliance. Continuous learning and adaptation to industry changes are essential for success. Stay informed, uphold ethical standards, and embrace ongoing education to excel in the dynamic real estate landscape.